Now here's the Alegance touch at the beach. Now you can see, now, oh Lord, I can smell the chemicals that they're putting here. Oh my goodness, I'm breathing it in. Sorry guys, I'm going to cover my mouth a little bit. Oh Jesus, I can smell chemicals here. Just because they spray every morning to bring down the bugs on the resorts, in the area of the resorts. So they spray stuff on the ground, and now I'm breathing it in. Jesus. Trying to cover up, as you can see here. But it's not working that well. Anyway, you can see I am at the beach right now. I wanted to show everybody that I am at the beach. Not like some of those videos that they post in the group. And here's a rock. You can see some of the rock exposed from that major storm, I guess, from months ago. My God, it smells bad. Just from the that spray, whatever it is. I didn't even see nothing come out, but whatever it is, man, holy crap. But here, and like I said, that's a 360 almost. Proven to you, like not like some people who just take a video of the water and say this is the beach. Alegance touch. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the lounge now and have breakfast. So I just wanted to show everybody that, so that people can see that is the beach. You can even see some of the rock chunks that are there now. It's definitely much more exposed than it was last year in 2023. But it's crazy. I don't know what the heck. So sorry this is a long video, but I wanted to show even more that I have to notice when I'm walking over this way. Not just the beach over there. Again, this is on the Alegance side, so it's much more rocky. Yes, it is. So there you go.